Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make YouTube intros using Canva templates. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to make a YouTube intro for using your Canva templates, then all you got to do is simply go to Canva. Once you're in your Canva, you need to go in search templates and type in YouTube intro. Once you have typed in YouTube intros, you can get hundreds of YouTube intros as your templates in your Canva. Now all you got to do is simply select one of such template. Once you have selected such template, you can now customize the text like channel names, your handles, your logos by simply uploading it, and adjust color fonts and add animation to the end elements and text using Animate button for a dynamic effect, keeping it under 10 seconds. Finally, you can download as an MP4 video and add it to your main YouTube video in video editor. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.